$234,000, $262,000, $233,000, and so on and so forth. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can achieve it. The first thing that we want to tell you is that our method for today is available to everyone worldwide. Countries like the Philippines, India, Nigeria, Serbia, US, Canada, Australia. It literally works everywhere. So you need not to worry about that at all. All you're going to need to do is enter a word here, click start now, wait for a few minutes, and submit it to our new and fresh website for today. Our whole method for today is absolutely free. You don't need to invest or advance any payment. It's so easy to the point that it literally will take you only less than 10 minutes to be able to complete the task and earn. If you're able to stay until the end of today's video, we are going to be sharing with you an exclusive tool which will do all of the work for you, so you won't have to do anything yourself and still earn the way that we promised you. You know that we're all about the easy breezy methods, and that is why as much as possible we want to share apps that guarantee this. We only want to give you guys the best of the best content, and it matters to us that all of you come out successful with each and every single method that we bring to you. Once again, we will be walking you through today's whole process step by step, so you don't need to worry about any of that. And our method for today is going to be very easy to follow, but it is a little specific, so make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired result. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. After doing some research, we came across this new tool that's going to do basically all of the work for you quite professionally, which means that you can earn over and over and over again. Now, this method isn't like our regular ones where you can earn an amount of bucks today and then another in 3 weeks. This method is going to earn you money every single day, and we know that that's what you guys want. Now, we want you to be on your default browser and then proceed to type in designcrowd.com and hit enter on that. This is what you should see next. This is the main platform that's going to make us earn money. As you can see, get the perfect custom design every time. This is the world's #1 custom design marketplace. It means what it says, and it says what it means. This is a freelancing website, but especially for graphic designers. Now, on this website, companies, entrepreneurs, and even day-to-day regular people come to get some designs done, like logos, business cards, web designs, flyer design, t-shirt designs, and so much more. And the way that we're going to earn money is that we're going to be offering our services to do these designs. So we are going to be taking in clients, and we know you might be wondering, what if you aren't a graphic designer? You don't know how to design logos and such. That's why we have that special tool that's going to do all of the work for you that we're going to be talking about later on. Now, do you guys like graphic design? If yes, what are some that you do specifically? Logos, banners? Leave a comment down below letting us know. We would love to read all of them. Now go on designers, and for example, let's go over to logo design, and you'll immediately see people from absolutely all over the world making huge amounts of money. For example, this guy from Chile has made $295,000. This one from the US has made $282,000. This person from India made $268,000. This one from the Philippines has made over $245,000, and so on and so forth. So literally anyone can participate in our method for the day, no matter where you are in the world. This website has so much that you can do on it, and the opportunities are endless, even for newbies. Unlike Fiverr, where you need to be established, or whatever else freelancing websites, you don't need to be that for design crowd. If you have the talent or resources to create designs, then this is the most perfect method for you. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now you're going to want to register, and to do so, just look on the upper right corner and click on register, and that should lead you over to this page right here. Just provide your first name, your email address, and then create a password, and then choose that you're a designer, and then hit continue once that's all complete and correctly filled up. Then you'll be led to this page right here, wherein you're going to create your designer profile. So you'll need to provide your display name, your last name, where you're from, your preferred payment method, and you can actually choose between PayPal or Payoneer. And we know that this website is a bit limited when it comes to payment method options, but it's so easy to create a PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, just create one really quickly so you can get paid, and then your payment information. And once that's completed, hit sign up, and once you hit that button, you're going to be right away bought into your account. More specifically, the overview of your whole account. Now we mentioned that there are only 2 payment options available, but if you had the chance to choose any payment option in the world, what would it be? Leave a comment down below what it is and why. Let's continue. Before you can continue any further though, you need to verify your email. So just go on your email, and that email should look like this. Just click on the confirm your email address link right here, and that should take you to your profile straight away, letting you know that your email has been verified. And now we want you to click on browse jobs at the top part, and then select logo and branding jobs, because that's what we're going to be focusing on. And as you can see, there are over 200 current job openings for logo and branding designs. And if you want to go crazy, you can do all 200 and earn more than $200,000. Anyway, you can see that this one pays $150, another $150 again, $390, $240, and so much more. And that's all $100 and more. Now imagine earning this much per project, plus being able to do this unlimitedly. And in a day, if you're able to complete 20 projects, that's over $1,000 for only 1 day of work. Now, where else can you find a strategy that pays you this much? Now, for example, you want to create a logo for this first project right here called Tirari, which is a Twitch streamer logo. It's a logo and brand identity for Twitch stream. Then we're just going to copy that Tirari name for the logo, and then we want you to go on wix.com/logo/maker, and that's going to do all of the work for you. This is the secret tool that we talked about earlier. This is what's going to earn you that $150 every single time. As you can see, it says create your own logo with Wix Logo Maker. And so let's click on start now, because there's no time to waste. Then you should be redirected to this page wherein you're going to sign up. So just follow the instruction as follows. As soon as you hit sign up, you're going to be redirected right away over here, where you're going to type in the name of the business or company or brand. And for us, it was Tirari. And since we were only asked to create a logo, there's no tagline needed to be attached. Then hit on let's go, and then they're going to ask what it's for, so they can match it with the perfect overall design. And for us, it's for Twitch streamer logo, so let's just put on live stream. Then you can choose the look and feel of your logo. Let's just choose fun. playful, fresh, modern, and maybe creative, and that sounds just perfect. And then they'll give you some ideas, so just choose what fits your radar, and we're just going to choose a random one. Then where do you want to use your logo? So for us, we just chose website and social media and others. Then they will analyze our answers, and boom, they don't give you one or two to choose from, they'll give you a ton to choose from, and you can even customize them if you want. And it's just so amazing. We can take 10 of these and send it to our client, and he can choose which one he likes best. You can even replace the icon to whatever it is the most fitting, and then just click on one you like again. You can still change it up if you want, but this is perfect for me. Then just screenshot this, open it in your folders, crop it like in a square size, save it, and it's pretty much ready to submit. Go back to Design Crowd, click on the project you want to apply for, hit submit your design, upload your design, then fill up the following additional information. Finally, hit submit, upload, and there you have it, $150 guaranteed, and it's as easy as that. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.